Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving into something absolutely wild. The 2025 Kenworth SnowDrifter LX motorhome truck. This isn't just another RV. It's a luxury winter fortress on wheels, built to dominate snow-covered terrains while keeping you wrapped in first-class comfort. From the outside, the SnowDrifter LX looks like a cross between a heavy-duty semi-truck and a luxury expedition vehicle. It's built on Kenworth's powerful chassis and powered by a Cummins X15 engine delivering 605 horsepower, paired with a 13-speed automatic Eaton transmission. That means it's not just made to survive the snow, it's made to rule it. With high-clearance snow-rated tires, adaptive suspension, and an advanced traction management system, this thing handles like a dream, even on frozen back roads and steep mountain trails. It's a serious off-grid performer for the most serious winter explorers. But now let's talk about what makes this truck really shine: the interior. Step inside, and you'll feel like you've entered a private luxury ski lodge. Heated hardwood. Floors run throughout the cabin, and the living space features leather recliners, smart lighting, and even a built-in infrared fireplace. And yes, that's a 65-inch OLED smart TV mounted front and center. The kitchen is nothing short of gourmet. You get a full-size stainless steel fridge, induction cooktop, convection microwave, deep sink, and even a built-in espresso bar. It's the kind of setup that makes you forget you're in the middle of nowhere. Move into the master suite, and you'll find a king-sized memory foam bed, dual-zone climate control, and blackout privacy blinds. The bathroom includes heated tile floors, a rainfall shower, and even a steam spa function. This isn't roughing it. This is full-on 5-star luxury travel. When it comes to connectivity, the Kenworth SnowDrifter LX comes fully loaded. You get Starlink satellite internet, roof-mounted solar panels, lithium-ion battery packs, and a diesel generator for full energy independence. Whether you're working remotely or just streaming Netflix during a snowstorm, you're covered. Driving this beast is surprisingly comfortable too. The cockpit is all Kenworth. High-end materials, digital instrumentation, heads-up navigation, and heated air ride seats. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, and a full 360-degree camera system. And just when you thought it couldn't get better, the exterior adds even more. A heated gear garage for snowboards or snowmobiles, a retractable awning system, an outdoor kitchen, and built-in floodlights for night setups. So who's this machine really for? If you're someone who refuses to let snow slow you down, if you want to go off-grid without giving up the luxury lifestyle, or if you simply want the most rugged and high-tech winter RV on the market, the 2025 Kenworth SnowDrifter LX might just be your dream home on wheels. With a starting price around $890,000, it's not cheap. But then again, it's not for everyone. It's for the bold, the adventurous, and the ones who don't wait for summer to explore. Thanks for watching this deep dive review on Honest Auto Wheels. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more incredible vehicle breakdowns, and let us know in the comments. Would you take the SnowDrifter LX into the wild? See you in the next review. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and as always, keep it rolling with Honest Auto Wheels.